SN Networking Training Routing Lab 1 Part 3. If this is your first time watching our videos, please check out on our video on how to set up physical console connection before you can proceed on this video. In our last video, we looked at how to set up Minicom application to access our router's configuration terminal in an Ubuntu machine. So in this video, we will show you how to set up a Windows operating system to access router's configuration terminal by using a small program called Putty. So this program is free and you can download, install in a machine, used for practical or for production's purpose. So without wasting much time, let's launch our web browser and we search for download Putty for Windows. So here in the search result, I will choose the first search result on the www.putty.org and then click on download Putty here. Note that here we have the Putty Windows installers. So we have a 32-bit Windows installer and then a 64-bit Windows installer. So my computer is a 64-bit, so I will choose this one. So if you are not sure of which one to download, or you are not sure of your Windows bit installer, go to my computer, right click on my computer, and here on the system type, you can see that it's a 64-bit operating system. So this tells me that I should choose the 64-bit installer. So I will go ahead and click that one. So download will automatically starts, and it's a small program, so therefore it downloads so fast. So if you want, you can locate the downloaded file and launch it from there, or I can simply double click on the shortcut here and it will launch the installer. So now I will minimize the browser. So note that two installers are launched here, so I need to close one. Okay, so Putty is now ready to begin installations. So I will simply click next. So here it's showing me the installation directory, that is C:/ /program files /Putty. So I will leave it at that and click next. So here, if you want to add a desktop shortcut or desktop icons, you can add it there, or if you don't, you can just proceed with installation by clicking install. And the installation will continue, and it has completed so fast. So do you want to read this, view the readme file? I will just uncheck that because I don't want to look at that, and click finish. So Putty has completed installations. So now I need to launch the Putty program. So you can quickly search it in your Windows install programs. So here you can see that is the programs, and Putty is now launched. So note that I have already connected my my power cable to the router on our Cisco router 1941. It is powered on, and I've already connected my console cable from my computer to the router on the console port using my serial USB converter cable, and the router is already powered on. Now I need to set up the console settings on this Putty program to match with the computer so I can access the router configuration terminal. So here I need to choose serial option. I know that the bit rate per second is 9600, which is correct, and the serial line communication port is saying here COM1. So we need to verify which communication port our computer is using. To do that, I will launch Device Manager. Okay, and look at our communication port here. Here you can see our USB to serial communication port is COM port 7. So we need to now make sure that is connected here. Instead of COM1, now we put communication port 7 and click open. Okay, so that's it for Putty. It has a launch. It's trying to now connect to our router on the configuration terminal. So here, if it's hands on, just press the enter key, and now you can see I am right inside the router's configuration terminal. It's asking me, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog box? So here, this tells me that this router has no configurations, so it only comes with default configurations or manufacturer's settings. So I can change the font size if I want. Right click on that and then go to change settings. For instance, I want to change the font size. I can go to appearance and change the font size. Right now it is on font size 10. So I can just click change and then select the font size to make it a little bit more visible, and I click on apply. So you can see the font size has been increased. So here I can just say no, so I can go through the basic configuration myself. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe now, and I will see you in the next one.